This is how to play the D chord on the guitar. So that's the traditional way to play the D chord, and we'll go over that. If you're a beginner, I'll start out really basic, and if you're more advanced, you can skip ahead. I'm going to show some more interesting ways to play the D chord, some easier, more difficult ways that just sound different, but it's all going to be the D chord. Let's get right into it. So first of all, try not to play the low E string or the A string, because this chord starts out on the D string, playing the D string open. Then you're going to put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Then you put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then you put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. So you'll notice my fingers aren't perfectly straight like this. They're kind of slanted, and my pinky is kind of hugging my 3rd finger there just so that it doesn't accidentally touch the string here, because it'll mute it. So that's one way to play the D chord, the most popular way, but there's an easier way to play the chord, especially if you're a beginner and you're having a hard time. You could play a D power chord, also known as D5. It's just 2 notes, and it's like this. So this one, all you have to do is put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you play the D string open. Try with the pick to just play the D and the G string. Another way to play a D power chord is like this. So this one, you put your first finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and then you can put your 3rd finger or your pinky on the 7th fret of the D string. You could also put your 3rd finger here and your pinky on the 7th fret of the G string. Or you can use your pinky to do what's called a barre, where you play these 2 notes. And eventually you can get to where you even do the barre on the B string. So I'm playing all 3 of these strings with my pinky. Another way to do that, and you may have seen pictures of it in guitar books, is like this. But I'm not able to play it because I don't really have big hands. So you're supposed to put your first finger up here. I can't even do it. So for me, I just use my pinky. But if you have big hands, it is possible to do the chord that way. So just pretend I'm doing it like that. And then this finger's here, but I mean, who does that? Another way to play the D chord is like this. So this one, you put your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the G string, your pinky on the 7th fret of the B string, and your first finger on the 5th fret of the high E string. You could also play the D string open like this. Another way to play a D power chord is like this. So this one, you put your first finger on the 10th fret of the low E string, and either your 3rd finger or your pinky on the 12th fret of the A string. You can also use your pinky right here on the 12th fret of the D string. And you can even add your middle finger on the 11th fret of the G string. It sounds like this. And eventually you can get to where you put your first finger across all 6 strings. This is called a barre chord. And then add the notes from the chord we were just looking at. So that's called a barre chord. And if you're having a hard time doing that, I have another video where I explain an exercise you can do every day, and before you know it, you'll be able to play any barre chord. So if you're having a hard time, please check that out. I'll put it in the description. Another way to play the D chord, and this is especially good on electric guitar, is like this. So this one, you put your 3rd finger on the 12th fret of the D string, your 2nd finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and your 1st finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Sounds like this. You could also bar your 1st finger so that it plays the 10th fret on the high E string. So altogether it sounds like this. You can get some really nice sounds on electric guitar like this. Another D power chord you may not be able to do on acoustic guitar, but you can do on electric guitar, is like this. This one, you put your 1st finger on the 12th fret of the D string and your 3rd finger on the 14th fret of the G string. You can also add your pinky on the 15th fret of the B string. Sounds like this. Well, that's about all the ways I can think of to play the D chord. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I appreciate you joining me for this video and joining me in the comments, and I'll see you next time.